Hi guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my very first video. So today we'll be making cushion cover, topaz top, off-shoulder dress,
tassel earrings, bangles, rakis,
phone covers,
and so much more. Hi guys, if you don't know me, my name is Divya. I am crazy, outright blunt,
I look like a monkey when I travel, but these people,
quirky,
you've got to stop doing this. Okay.
and maybe a little stylish. There's so much we've done so far. I've exploited my visions. We've made kaftans, shrugs, bags out of scarves, cushion covers, room decor, some jewelry. Then there are haul videos, makeup videos, nail art videos, and even cooked a bit. Surprisingly, we've also started a series.
Third episode of Ooh That Look.
I will say that I'm still learning. My eyes are set on the sky, but my feet are still on the ground. And this video sums up this incredible year we've had. I'll be back with better ideas and better videos. So keep coming back. I adore each one of you. I know you guys are amazing. I'm utterly grateful. Thank you for all your love and support.